Okay, lady, I'm going to tell you what this is.
Okay.
So, we're trying to make sure all of our stuff does all sorts of interesting things. Sometimes there'll be new technologies that we want to see. We also like to see how things are made. So the new AirTags came out. This is like Wednesday the 20th or something. And, we ordered 4 so we could take apart 1. We took apart the previous one, and then we have a new one. New one's easier to take apart. But, what did you think about this?
So, okay, one thing definitely absolutely easier to take apart. So this old one, you'll see, like, I tore off, there's all this bonding. So this, I think this is the NFC antenna and the ultra-wideband antenna. It's basically, like, glued on, and I just didn't want to, like, use solvents. Whereas this one, it really just snapped off much easier, and it snapped apart. So definitely the assembly process is much simpler here. You can see the ultra wideband chip. This is the Apple made US one. Well, this is a strong magnet. This chip over here. Let me see.
Speaker.
Yeah, I'll talk about the speaker, but let me see if I can get this tilted so you can see the part number. nRF52840, upgrade from the nRF52832. Both chips we really like. I think not USB, flash chip. I think there is maybe the motion sensor maybe in here, accelerometer, I'm assuming. Antenna test points over here. And then, this gigantic magnet, which is what makes the speaker go. So this is the speaker coil, right? I think this is it's like a buzzer. And this had contact. I mean, I tore it out. But normally this would, the electromagnetic field that's put through this coil. Oh, wait, no, sorry. It's this one snaps open. Let me use this one. I don't know which one it is. Sorry, it's late. The coil makes the magnet vibrate and makes a sound. And you can see how much bigger it is compared to the old version where the magnet was actually bonded to the enclosure. This time the magnet is kind of floating inside here. It's also much bigger, so you're going to get, of course, a louder sound. Upgrade of the chip, upgrade of the manufacturability for sure. Much easier to take apart, and I could probably get it back together working if I really cared to. Really nice design. I really like the embedding of the antennas. This is the NFC / ultra wideband antenna. So this was wound around here, and it was bonded in, but of course it was like attached here. And that's the 2 ways in which it does detection. Although I think the nRF52840 has angle of attack. I think they're using that as well to tell which direction the tag is from your phone, not just the distance, which could help find it. So
I wouldn't call it attack. I think more like
no, that's what it's called.
Well, I know, but that's an old, outdated word.
Angle of measurement? I don't know.
Anyways, angle of friendship.
Angle of friendship. Yeah. Look good. So we took it apart, but we learned a little bit. I love the layout, of course. Beautiful Apple layout, just gorgeous boards. But if you're Apple, you can afford it. Also looks like there's maybe this is actually the antenna here. Looks like
you see good links to some teardowns, but this is us. We just got to crack it open, and it's like.
Oh, you know what? I'll tell you what. I was totally wrong. Hold on, I completely lied about everything. I just realized this. This is the Bluetooth antenna here. This is the 2.4 gigahertz antenna. This is the 2 ultra wideband antennas, and then this is the NFC connector coil. So sorry, it's late. I got like 3 hours of sleep last night.
As you were saying this, people were getting their
They were excited to type.
They're getting their typewriters ready.
But what's funny? It's like I thought that this was like a little exposed copper, and then I realized, oh my God, no, that's the little F, and it's an inverted F antenna. They really
you could learn a lot from looking at what Apple makes.
I know, beautiful. Anyways,
cool.
There you go, AirTag V2.